The pardoner's principal line of argument can be stated as being one of the following: identify. So what this question asks us is, what is the justification, or what is one statement, what is one argument that the pardoner would make to sort of justify his actions, or maybe even to explain his actions? In this, we have to notice that there are two key aspects to the pardoner. One, the pardoner does not do what he preaches. The pardoner himself is evil, while he preaches, his sermons are against evil. That we see from the first few lines of the second paragraph. In the prologue of the tale, the pardoner clearly admits that he preaches for nothing but for the greed of gain. His sermons revolve around the biblical idea that the love of money is the root of all evil. Ironically, however, the pardoner condemns the very same vice that he lives by, as he proclaims, "Avarice is the theme that I employ in all my sermons, to make the people free in giving pennies, especially to me." Thus, covetousness is both the substance of his sermons as well as the mechanism upon which he thrives. Then again, from the last two statements, we see that he is not a hypocrite, though. In this regard, one can argue that although the pardoner is evil, he is not a dissembler. His psychology is clearly not guided by hypocrisy, because he does not conceal his intentions under false pretenses. So let us see if we can find which argument connects to both of these. Option A says, "It is the church that is responsible for my actions. I am no more than a functionary." This cannot be the line of argument that the pardoner takes, because here there is false pretenses. There's a shift of blame. It is the church that is responsible for my actions. So it is a justification. It is deception. The church is not responsible for his actions. The pardoner is responsible for his own actions, and the pardoner clearly states, blatantly states, that he is responsible for his actions. He is evil. He is covetous. So A is incorrect. Option B says, "Purchasing pardons is good for you. What can I do if you end up enriching me in the process?" Yet again, a justification. Purchasing pardons is good for you, not so much. Pardons may be good, but purchasing pardons is basically feeding his own evil. So that again is an example of deception, or a deceptive statement in itself, not something that the pardoner is going to argue with. So B is incorrect. Option C tells us, if money has to be spent in buying a pardon for a good purpose, where is the question of avarice or moral impropriety, especially as it is my official duty to be the seller of these pardons? This also is incorrect, because first off, we see if money has to be spent in buying a pardon for a good purpose. Pardon may be a good purpose. Buying a pardon, not a good purpose, nefarious purpose. That's what the pardoner wants. He is evil and he covets money. So buying a pardon is not for a good purpose. It is for the good of the pardoner. Then again, where is the question of avarice? But the pardoner clearly states that he is avaricious. The pardoner condemns the very same vice that he lives by, as he proclaims, "Avarice is the theme that I employ in all my sermons." So he says that he is avaricious. So this is quite incorrect. Option C is out. Option D says, "I cannot help selling these pardons. Can a tiger change his stripes or a leopard his spots?" This is definitely inferable. We can see this from the last two paragraphs, the fourth and the fifth paragraphs, that is. The psychology of the pardoner is actually directed by immoral habits. Because he is so used to wheedling money out of people, it comes automatically for him. And then again, the last paragraph says, "Yet his impurity is not so much a result of his sins as it is a result of his reluctance to change his ways. He himself needs to seek repentance and absolution from his pursuits. The church was merely an instrument, his instrument for obtaining money." So it is not that these actions actually stem out of him being evil or being sinful. It is a result of his reluctance to change his ways, which is what this is talking about. I cannot help selling these pardons. I cannot change my ways. Can a tiger change his stripes or a leopard his spots? So this very well connects with one of the ways in which the pardoner argues to justify his actions, or at least to explain his actions. Hence, D is a valid choice. That is the correct answer.